What's up, YouTube? This is crazy. I'm in the middle of a flood. Look how deep this water is. I'm literally walking through the water. Look at the cars. Look at this. This is crazy. This is pure insanity. This is almost knee fucking deep. Oh my God, it is knee deep. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at all the cars. Look at this. And I'm wading in the water across the street. This is insanity, y'all. Ah! They got me. Let me going down. This is crazy. Look at this. Woo! Look at them. Look at this. This is insanity. I am walking in a flood. Oh my God. This is like knee-deep water. Look at that. Holy shit. And look at that. The cops over there. I bet you any amount of money that road is flooded too. Oh. Yeah. It's a good thing I wore my swim trunks for this walk. Look at that. Ow! Oh shit, that's amazing. I mean, look at this. All across the street, it is flooded. The whole entire road, flooded out. This is pure insanity. This is because of the rain we had. I think I'm going to cross the street at this point. This is a flood right here. This is what you call a flash flood. Because when I was walking up here, this road was not like this. I'm going to quickly run across the street now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. I was just walking. All this water coming across the street right now. Yeah. Yep. Oh my God. It's like everything I've ever wanted all of a sudden is coming to me. I'm getting caught up in a flash flood. Literally, this just started pouring across the street. Holy shit, y'all. Man. That was insane. Now, I'm going to see about this bridge out here. Because that usually floods out. Sometimes this bridge up here, well, there are cars going down, so it's a bad thing for my YouTube channel, but I guess it's a good thing for travelers. Yeah, but that was just insane. Y'all saw that firsthand. Thank God my phone is in a Ziploc baggie. Now, oh boy, that road looks flooded out up there. Right where we're going. Right where we are going. Oh my. Now last time I walked up this road during a flood, literally swam across the street and there was a car in the middle of it. God knows I wish I had my phone then. But let's see. Looks like people are making their way across with ease. Oh. See if there's any more flood. Yeah. No state highway administration, so I guess it's a good. Yeah, the road ain't flooded up here. But yeah, that was insanity. You saw how flooded that street was. I mean, we've been having some serious ass rain problems. Now when I walked up this road once, last time we had some serious rain, this whole road, this whole area was underwater last time, and there was a car up here that got caught in a flood. But doesn't look like any flooding right now, so that's good. I'm sure this area will be underwater soon though. Because this is all high right now. It's never this high. But yeah, that was just a flash flood that just happened. I don't see any rising of the water. But wait a minute now. I see water starting to come across the street a little bit. This may be the start of another flash flood because this water is just starting to come across the street a little bit. So I'm gonna see. If it does, I'll go right back on and I'll show you all. But that was a flash flood back there. Hope you all enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed walking through it. Remember, subscriptions are golden. Stay golden. Peace, y'all.